Hello, I'm Theo from Velomobiel.nl, and in this video I will show you how you can simply improve the damping of your rear shock of your three-wheeled Velomobile. Now you pull off the top of the rear shock and lower the shell like this. Now you unscrew the lower end of the shock with pliers and then unscrew it with your hand. Now take off the dust cap and take out the side screw that is holding the guide bush. Now you can pull out the inner rod from the outer. Now you clean the damper, and with a screwdriver you can pull off the damper foam from the damper holder and clean it all very well. Now you can put some isolation PVC tape around the plastic holder for the damper foam and put 3 layers of tape around it, like that. Now I mount a fresh damper foam. It's a polyurethane foam. It's very strong, so you can use a screwdriver to put it around, like that. You can check the spring inside the shock if it still has enough grease or if it had dry spots. This one looks okay, so we don't have to do any extra grease here. Now we can mount the shock back together again. Put the screw back in the guide bush. The dust cap can go back on. And we can put it back in the Velomobile. Make sure that the shock is straight into the ball joint. If you put it in at an angle, it will not go well. And we tighten the last bit with the pliers. So as you can see, it's very simple to improve the damping of your rear shock. All you need is a new damper foam and some tape. And I hope this will help you to keep safe on the road. See you next time.